Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can install extensions locally or which are also called as unpacked extensions. Now, let's first understand what unpacked extensions actually are. Let's open our Google Chrome, and as you know that there are a lot of extensions that we use to make our work easy. Now, there are many extensions. For example, this dark reader extensions which make everything or force enables dark mode. Now, you might have noticed that for downloading an extension, we basically use the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, there are a ton of extensions which you can use to download. Now, there might be some extensions which are not available in the Chrome Web Store, or you have to install them locally by downloading their zip file first and then initiating that zip file into your Google Chrome as an extension. So this is what we are actually going to do today. So first, let's see what we have actually downloaded. Now, this is a dark reader Chrome extension which I have downloaded as a zip file. Now, this is an unpacked extension. So, after downloading any unpacked extension from any website, what you need to do is just simply right click on it and click on the extract all button. Now, once you select your path or specify it, just simply click on extract. Once the extraction is complete, you can see that it lies here. Now, what we will do, we will simply go to our Google Chrome, and now, since we have unpacked that extension, we will load it into our Google Chrome. To load it, simply click on the three vertical dots and then go to the extensions option. Hover your cursor over it and you can see the manage extensions button. Simply click on it. Now, what you need to do is turn on the developer mode. Just turn this toggle on and you can see that three options have popped up which says to load unpacked or any packed extension or to update it. So simply click on the load unpacked extension button. Once you click on it, you can go to the folder and here you can see our file which we have obtained from the zip file. Simply click on it and click on the select folder button. And here we go. You can see the dark read Chrome extension and it is automatically enabled. Now to test it out, you can simply click on a new tab and see whether it pops up or not. And you can see that this page was changed by the dark reader dark extension and it is in dark mode. So you can change it back or keep it. For example, if I change it back, you can see that this is the original page. Now you can also test it out to see if it works or not by clicking on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen, then again repeating the same steps, and you can see that it is working perfectly. If there are any errors, you can simply log those errors from this particular button, and you can see that anything or any error will be automatically logged in these files. So that's it for this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Meanwhile, do like this video, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.